it's Addison and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing the Exploding Rubber Band Milk Challenge. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, press that red subscribe button, and turn on my bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's roll the intro. Yo. Hey guys, it's Addison. My brother Cody, my brother Zach, and my sister Riley. So let's get started. And we have a bunch of rubber bands.
It ain't on right now.
Look how weird it looks.
Nice help.
They're scared. If it does, it's just milk.
Yeah, that could hurt you by blowing it up.
We did it way before water.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta start doing a lot. This one might be too many rubber bands. Here.
I think we should stop. Take a little.
Wait a minute.
I'm scared.
Oh, let me get the GoPro there. Let me check this stuff.
What if it doesn't do it? Go?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my god.
It got on your hat. Man, it's gonna stink if you don't get it off. Don't dump it on the floor, no! It'll stink. End the video.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and press the red subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Peace.